Do you know how to make flowers and where you put the flowers out of Play-Doh? Well, I'll show today. I'm Aissa, so let's start this video. So I have here Play-Doh and I'm going to make something. You just push it on the floor and then push it. Push it on with a ruler if it is going to be better. Push it everywhere. There you go. Maybe just a little bit more until it looks like this. And now we're going to get it and get the ruler and cut it into a little piece. Maybe that's okay. There you go. And now just cut it. Okay. Let me just do another square. There you go, that's better. It looks like this. And now you're going to get it all and crumble it. And now get a little bit of it, like some, and make a vase. I'll just get some more. Now get it and push it. Actually, you can get it all, because maybe it will need a lot. Get it, push it with your hands. Push it. And now push it with the ruler. Just push it until it's, done. Like this. And now you're going to flip it over and get a little bit of it and make it into a flower jar. Just like that. Get some. And now transform it into a flower jar. Just like that. And now it looks like this. And now you're gonna get it and push it some more. There you go. Until it looks like this. And now you're gonna flip it over and make a vase from it. Just push it into it. And now you're going to make this a little bit bigger and then make the vase. And when it's done like, I think, done. Now it's done. It looks like this. And now you're going to press it a little bit on the floor until it looks like this. Then get up to, there you go, until it looks like this. And now you're going to get these and put some flowers. You can get the first one and the second one. And now roll it and then just cut it a little bit, and now maybe design it into a flower. I'm just going to put these flowers until you put it like this. And now you got put it inside it. Just like that. Just press a little bit more. There you go. And now you're gonna get the other one, and until it looks like this. Do you like it? Well, doesn't it look like a vase? Well, surely it does. Just do it, and now cut it and make it into a circle. And then there you go. Put the second one. And now the last one. Just roll it. And maybe you can make another vase. You can get a little bit more. And now you can get a flower and then push it and make the petals. 1 petal, 2 petal, 3, the 3rd one, the 4th one, and the 5th one. There you go. Now it looks like a real flower, doesn't it? And now we're going to put that one in here too. And now just push it until it looks like this. Do you like it? Well, I think you do. If you've enjoyed this video, then like. Bye bye, friends.